Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Children's Day Bento lunchbox, Kodomonohi Bento lunchbox, which is on May 5th. The idea is very simple. You make a rice bowl and put a Kabuto samurai helmet made of parchment paper. In this video, we wanted to mainly show you how to make the Kabuto samurai helmet. I hope you like this quick idea and I hope you can try it out.
Understand.
Very easy, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.